Hello everybody, and welcome to Yasmanian World Cooking Channel. My name is Chef Yassine Harak, aka Chef Yaz. I'm new to YouTube, but I have been thinking about it for over 15 years. So I'm excited to finally get started and share my 30 years of passion for cooking, all things hospitality, and life experience with you. Whether you're a beginner cook or a seasoned pro, my channel is here to provide you with easy-to-follow recipes, cooking tips, and techniques to help you elevate your home cooking game. I believe that good food can bring people together, and I'm honored to have the opportunity to share my love for food and cooking with you. So roll up your sleeves, grab an apron, and let's get cooking.
Today, we are going to prepare together chicken stock. It is part of our Cooking Basics series. The question I get all the time is ready-made stocks in supermarkets free range? Is it good to use, or should we make our own? Well, the short answer is, stock in general can be time-consuming to make. For example, fish stock in 25 minutes, chicken or vegetable stock in 45 minutes to an hour. And if you have time, why not? You will always get better flavors if you make it yourself. In this video today we are going to learn how to make your own chicken stock. Let's get started then. Our chicken stock today, made the way professional culinary schools teach. It is a white stock. In order to make this stock we will need carrots, onions, picked with cloves, salt, pepper, water, organic chicken carcass, a stock pot, and last but not least, supercharged bouquet garni for white stock. Alright, let's get started. As I say, always set up for success by having everything ready. Is the key to success in any kitchen. Always get organized. Have all of your ingredients nearby, so you don't have to run around the kitchen. When you are cooking, our step number 1, let's blanch the carcasses. As you can see, I chopped them up in smaller pieces, so they can fit in my stock pot. My stock pot filled with water about 3/4 gallon, my heat set to a medium to high. Then let's take the carcasses and plunge them into the cold stock pot with water. Always start with cold water, not boiling water. That's done. Let's wait for the water to come to boil. When the water starts boiling, wait for a few minutes. Now as you can see, we got this white foam that starts to form on the top of the water. These are impurities you don't want. So what we do, we just try to skim them out as best as we can. Next step, turn the heat off and take the carcasses out and reserve them in a clean container. Now discard of the water. Clean the stock pot. Refill it with clean water. Put it back on a stove. Add the carcasses back into cold water and bring to boil. Simmer over low heat. Now we've got a much cleaner stock. And this what we are looking for. However, we still have little impurities to get rid of. We are trying to make an excellent professional grade product. We can now add a bouquet garni, carrots, and the onions, picked with cloves. Notice that I haven't touched my salt and pepper yet. This is normal. Never salt or season your stock when you're cooking. Only at the end. You may need to add just a little bit of seasoning. Leave the stock simmer for another 45 minutes. In the meantime, you may need to skim any impurity at the top whenever they appear. After 45 minutes to an hour, you can turn the heat off. The stock is ready to be strained. First, remove the chicken carcasses. And ladle the liquid into a strainer until all the liquid is done. The chicken stock is now almost ready. The last thing we're gonna do is correct the seasoning. Taste and adjust. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed learning how to make the chicken stock. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, share, and let me know in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get updates about my latest recipe videos. And if you have any requests or suggestions for future videos, please feel free to let me know in the comments. Until next time, happy cooking!